Hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today, I've got something from Singapore. This is Nissin Cup Noodles Big Spicy Tonkotsu, and I can look on bucket head. Pretty cool. I like that a lot. Yeah, check out the lid. I've got a huge pot of water boiling. No, I'm kidding. This is actually the size of the cups, as you can see by looking at that. See, that's a little more sane. Did I bump the cameras? Oh, yeah. Oh, geez. Here we go. Yeah, that's more like what we're looking at here. It's more of a standard size, see? But it's big. It's a big cup noodles variety. So we're gonna add some boiling water to that and let it chill out for 3 minutes. Here we go. And we're gonna push everything down a little bit. Put a lid on top of it. And do 1, 2, 3. Eee! There we go. So what's happening? I just got a call from a telemarketer asking me, who do I have the pleasure of speaking with today? And so I just did, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Caller, please unmute yourself. And just like, all right, caller, last chance. It's just like you could tell she was just sitting here going. But she wanted to tell me that I won a free cruise and then let me know how much it cost for me to go on the free cruise. It's like, I get one of those calls. I got one yesterday. I got one today. I get them almost every day. It's like, oh, we're very sorry. We'll put you on the do not call list. It's like, do you look at that list before you call people? Let me get that straight. I don't think you do. So what's going on in the news right now? UFOs. There's UFOs. We keep shooting down UFOs. These are Bakken aliens. You know what I'm talking about, the Bakken aliens? I don't know if they're aliens, but I tell you what. It's about the size of a car. They're flying around. Yep, we had one out of Elmendorf shoot one down. Yep. But like, it started with these Chinese balloons, right? The surveillance balloons. Wasn't this surveillance balloon? It was Lantern Festival. Come on. Hiya. I think it's funny because it's like, it's very improper. Jowls, you know. But honestly, you really don't think that we're doing surveillance on China 24/7 as well as every other country, friend or foe? I don't know that we'd like shoot up balloons to like go over. I think the funniest part right now is that the Chinese are like going, that wasn't nice to do to take it down and blah, blah, blah. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you, folks. I really like Star Trek. I can tell you that much, but I just really don't get it. What I really don't understand is the whole anti-Chinese sentiment in this country. I don't. Fear of the unknown. People here don't tend to like try to learn or they don't really. Cultural literacy is on the back burner, and I really wish it was more in the forefront. But you know, I'm sure nobody made the correlation that it could have been floated over during Lantern Festival. Don't you know what time of year it is, folks? Honestly, yeah. What time of year is it? They're closed for 2 weeks. Come on. But anyways, yeah, this one's from Singapore. There's Nissin Japan, there's Nissin Singapore. Ooh, there's little... It smells pretty good. I'm gonna have to cull off some of these noodles just due to the fact that I want you to be able to see the broth and the noodle. But there is a lot of noodle here. It's like from here all the way down, kind of feels like it's all noodle. I want to stir the heck out of this too. Because a lot of the time, I have trouble getting these things to combine just right. But I want it combined for you. I'm seeing pepper rings in here. And it mentioned that there's fish and crustaceans in this one, I believe. So, you're going to find more seafood stuff when you're talking about, what do you call it? Singapore. Which I don't mind at all. I like Singapore. And I really liked their airport. That's been my experience of visiting Singapore. Running from one end of Changi Airport to the other. After what? 13 hours to Taiwan and then 4 hours to Singapore? And then from Singapore we had to go to Penang and in Malaysia, and that was crazy. Took a Silk Air flight. Silk Air. Let's try this. Wow. That is a spicy tonkotsu. It's honestly got some really decent heat to it. That's impressive. And our broth. Wow. That's hot. That's actually pretty hot. My mouth's burning. Interesting. I've never had a spicy tonkotsu that's been like that strong. I've had, like at a restaurant, I've had spicy, black garlic oil miso that was strong, but it was just like not this kind of spicy. What do we do with our mixing? Lots of bits in there. That's cool. You know, I'm just gonna leave everything in. It's a lot of noodle. All right. Let's tonkotsify. Made some eggs this morning. The only thing I can really do with this one is put my chashu on top of the noodle and the egg on top of the noodle. That seems like the right thing to do. I don't know when I'm going to come out with this one. I mean, it just came out in Singapore, so I could come out with it soon. I could. It's a thing I could do. What do we got? Yummy. I'm tempted, honestly, to pull a bit of this off. A bit. I really want you to be able to see the broth, that's for sure. Very strong. My mouth is still burning. pretty good with spicy. Come on. Oh, you get off of there. Leave those happy little eggs alone. Definitely want to have... That's pretty good. I can live with that. Okay. And let's do a little bit of mung bean sprout. But yeah, they sent me this in a big bucket, and that's really cool. I really appreciate that. The folks over at Nissin Singapore send some really cool promo kits to me. This is the third one. The last one was their carbonara, truffle carbonara yakisoba. UFO. Speaking of UFOs. And it came in a really neat box. I still have it. I save all this stuff. And the one before that was for their fish head curry cup noodle. And that one was really good too. Oh, I've got this and I've never opened it yet. This is something people in the Ramen Junkie group keep talking about. This is S&B spicy garlic and chili oil. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Because I have the curiosity. Doesn't say anything about refrigerating it. Ah, the spoon of love. Look at that. Spoon of love. I'm going to put a little bit of this. Interesting. I wish I had some naritamaki. Oh, I see. I see why you guys like this stuff. Oh, wow. That's yummy. Yum. Holy cow. All right. Rotato. Spicy. Big spicy tonkotsu. Spicy. No. Nissin Big Cup Noodles Spicy Tonkotsu from Singapore, starting their availability February 2nd, 2023. Thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is kind of an anomaly. I didn't notice it last time I did one of these. This is Nongshim bowl noodles spicy kimchi flavor, but they're in a name transition. Because look, bowl noodle soup. It's been bowl noodle soup forever, so that's interesting. Anyways, on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment in your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.